Hey guys, it's your girl T and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I am going to be doing a soft glam look by the name of the title down below. And I already did my eyebrows, I already did my base, so I said I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys what I do for a soft glam. So I'm gonna start off with the contour because again I already did my concealer, did my eyebrows, and I set my face as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I use this palette. I think I told you guys in my New Year's video, this palette is literally from TJ Maxx, but guys, it's so good. Like, the pigment on it is super duper good. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and shape my cheeks. So far it looks like that. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. So now I'm gonna go back in with a darker shade right over that because we want the look to be very, very bronzy. I want this to look very, very, very bronzy. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna start bringing it up on both sides. Who is she? And then I went and I also contoured around my forehead. So it's like a bronze blush look. There's that. So my cheeks look really rosy, really summery, and it's actually very nice out right now, guys. This New England weather is crazy. It is January and we are currently having 66-degree weather, so I'm gonna take advantage of it and rose up my cheeks because why not? This is what I look like right now. So next thing that I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take those same contour shades that I used and I'm going to work them into the crease of my eyes. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and use those same shades. That way, it all blends together. And I apologize for the noise if it's coming out in the video. As you can see, it's already working its way in there, and it's basically gonna blend in with everything else that's going on in my face, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go back in with the second contour shade that I used, which is that one right there. It's a little darker, and blend that into my crease line as well. This look could literally match with my contour. So the same color of my contour is the same color that I'm trying to get up here in my eyes. That way, everything looks put together. Like, it looks blended in. It looks everyday-ish just because you don't have that many shades going on. So everything's going to neutralize it. I'm going to use this flat little brush and I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild. I even forgot the name of this. My Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. And guys, this is like a dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette. It has a lot of shimmer. Oh my god. Okay. It has a lot of similar shades. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna dig into this one. It's like a very like white neutral color. I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going like this, so that way it looks like I actually have a crease color. And okay, guys, so I basically finished doing that. So right now this is how my eyelids look, how my face looks, how my you know, bronze look looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to finish blending everything out above my eyebrow. And this is the same blush shade that I use, but since it's blended out in my face, I just decided to do some here too, so I could give, you know, kind of like a shadow to that brown tone. Guys, it is so nice out, but it's so windy. So windy. Super windy. Just gonna go in with this. Okay guys, so those are my lashes all set, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I know it's a little weird, but I switch on and off from brushes, and I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild highlight. It's in the shade I Am So Lit. It's upside down. I'm so lit, and it's a powder highlighter, so I need to get some in there. But guys, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Perfect. Just going in with a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna come back on with some lipstick. Okay guys, so what I did is I went in with the Angel Food Cake NYX Butter Gloss. Oh my goodness. The NYX Butter Gloss, and this is basically the look, guys. I just sprayed my face with some setting spray. This is her, this is she. This is how the look turned out, guys. I hope you guys like this look. Please try it out, and if you guys do, go ahead and feel free to send me videos, or, you know, tag me, whatever you guys want, and I will definitely go ahead and like your post. So guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you guys know when I post, because I will be posting very soon, so you guys can see how I transform my hair from this to, you know, a cute little stylish hairstyle. So I'll be back with another video very soon. For now, bye guys.